How to add credit or debit card on AliExpress. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add credit or debit card on AliExpress. To do so, first of all, open your AliExpress application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here tap on the profile or the account icon at the bottom right. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to scroll a bit down and then there you will be able to see payment icon. Tap on this payment icon and by doing so you will be taken to this page. Here you will be able to see add card button right next to the card option. Simply tap on this add card and then you will be taken to this page. Here you will be able to see these fields where you will need to enter all of your card details. In the first text box, here you will need to enter the card number. Or you may also use the scanner icon at the right side of it and scan your credit card. Once after entering your card number, in the second text box, here you will need to enter the name that is exactly on your card. Tap on it and enter the name. After entering the name, in the third box, enter the expiration date. Use the slider to choose the expiration date. And after that, in the last box, enter the security code number. You can find it at the back side of your card. Once after entering all the details, simply tap on the save button at the bottom and then you will be able to add a credit or debit card on your AliExpress account. Once it is added, you will be able to use this card in the checkout section. You will be able to use this card as a payment method in order to pay for your order. So by following these steps, you should be able to add credit or debit card on AliExpress. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.